This is a product align recipe. It keeps your background and shadow intact and maintains a uniform 8% margin around the product. This works well for most products. But suppose you want more spacing at the top. If you're working with jewelry, you may want to frame it differently. Maybe you increase the top margin to 20 to 25%, keep the shadow, and tighten the rest. So how would you actually do that? Start by clicking Use Recipe. This creates an automation based on that recipe. Now add your input images here. You need to run the recipe on real images so you can adjust the settings and save your own version. By default, this uses a uniform 8% margin and outputs in a 3:4 format. But does this framing really work for your product? If not, adjust the margins to get the exact look you want. You can also change the output size. For example, switch to 1:1. Run it to preview the result. Now you can see the difference. The framing is tailored to your product. Compare the before and after and decide if this works for you. If this looks right, save it as a new recipe. Give it a name and optionally add an alternate name. You can also choose where this recipe should be used, for example, Amazon. Add tags and a short description so it's easy to find later. Now add it to your account. Your recipe will appear under My Recipes, separate from the default system recipes. And from here on, you can reuse it anytime across your entire catalog. And that's it. Your custom recipe is ready. Get more out of every product image. Keep watching our channel for more, or try Crop.photo now.